In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change just one page to landscape orientation in Google Docs. This is a handy trick for documents where you need to insert content that looks better in a wide format such as tables, charts, or images. Let's dive right in. First, open your internet browser and navigate to Google Docs. If you haven't already, sign into your Google account. Once signed in, locate the document you want to edit. You can either choose to open a new document or an existing one. With your document open, scroll through it and identify the page you wish to change to landscape. This is an important step because you need to make sure you know exactly which content you want to transform. Carefully navigate through your document and make note of the page number or specific section. Once you've identified the page, use your mouse or trackpad to highlight all of the text on that specific page. It's crucial to highlight only the content you want to appear in landscape. This ensures that only the selected page will change orientation. After highlighting the text, right-click your mouse. A menu will appear with several options. Look through the menu and you should see an option that says Change Page to Landscape. Click on that option. This action will switch the orientation of the page you selected. It's important to note that this feature may be disabled in some cases. If that happens, ensure your document format is compatible with these advanced settings. Once the page is changed, examine your document to see if any excess pages were created. Sometimes, the new layout can lead to additional pages popping up. If this happens, simply go through and delete any extra pages to keep everything neat. With your pages in order, take a moment to read through your newly formatted landscape page. Adjust any misplaced text or images so they fit perfectly into this new layout. A little fine-tuning can be really beneficial here. Use the zoom feature located in the toolbar if you need a closer look at how everything fits. Lastly, give your document a final review. Ensure everything looks exactly the way you envisioned. Check for readability and flow. Then save your work. You have now successfully changed one page to landscape on your Google Docs document. This adjustment can make a significant difference in the presentation of your content. Feel free to experiment with this feature in various documents in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions.